How many create a VFX and long video? Step by step guide to creating a VFX and long video. Before you start editing, plan your video properly. A concept storyline. Decide what your video will show. For example, action, fantasy, SCI, fi, mythology, or cinematic story. Write a script or story or outline what happens in each scene. Make a short list every camera angle or effect shots you will need. Reference and mood board. Collect references, videos, or images from movies or YouTube for your style. Use website like ArtStation, Pinterest, or Filmgram for VFX inspiration. Equipment: cameras, DSLR, mirrorless, or even phone with gimbal. Lighting: natural or soft LED lights. Green screen: if you plan to replace the background. Tripod and stabilizer for steady shots. And second number, production. Shooting stage: a shooting with VFX in mind. Use a green for background replacement. Keep lighting even, avoid shadow on the green screen. Shoot in high resolution 1080p or 4K for best result. Keep camera still for tracking shots or mark camera motion for later use in 3D tracking. Record clean audio. Use an external mic. Record Foley sound like footsteps, wind, or objects if needed later. Post production like editing plus VFX stage, import and basic edit. Use an editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro. Do cut unnecessary parts. Arrange clips according to your story. Add background music or dialogue. Add VFX and use VFX software such as Adobe After Effects, most common. Blender, free and 3D capable. Nuke and Fusion for professional compositing. Rotoscoping, isolate characters from background. Chrome keying, remove green screen. Tracking, a match camera motion for realistic effects placement. Compositing, merge real footage with CGI or effects. Particles effects like fire, smoke, rain, spark, etc. 3D integrations add 3D models, spaceships, creatures, text, etc. And color correction and grounding, adjust brightness, contrast, and tone. Use Let's look up tables for cinematic styles, sounds design, add a background scores, ambient sounds, SFX means explosion, wine, etc. Mix and balance audio levels, rendering and export. Export final video in MP4 means H264 or MOV format. Set resolution to 1080p or 4K. Use YouTube or social media projects if needed, and post upload publishing stage. Create a thumbnail using Photoshop or Canva. Write a SEO friendly titles, description, and hashtag. Example: title Epic SCI 5 VFX Shorts Film made with Blender After Effects. And description: a cinematic VFX shorts film created using After Effects and Blender, featuring dynamic explosions, 3D models, and intense visual storytelling. Optional tools and plugins, Elements 3D for After Effects. Optional tools and plugins are Element 3D for After Effects, Red Giant Universe Trapcode, Action VFX for explosion, smoke, debris, and Mixkit Artist Epidemic Sound for music and sound. And now, tips for long video. Keep story engaging, add twist or transitions, use voice over narration to explain visual. Split your project into multiple scenes, work scene by scene. Add credit at the end. Choose a genre, pick one based on your goal, like action or fights, explosion, slow motion, power, fantasy, mythological, gods, creatures, magic, sci-fi like holograms, robots, portals, futuristic effects, adventure and drama, storytelling, travel, emotions, cinematic montage like VFX transitions, time lapses, B rolls. Write a storyline. Example format: The Last Warrior. Scene first: a deserted battlefields. The hero walks with a broken sword. Scene 2: a mysterious portal open. Scene 3: hero enter and finds himself in another dimensions. Scene 4: a battle begins with energy blast and lighting effects. Scene 5: The hero wins and the world reset. After it, create a script, include dialogues, action, and camera direction. Example: Hero, this is not the end, it's just the beginning. VFX: glowing eyes, dust particles around him. And pre-productions planning everything, storyboards, draw rough sketches for each scene, even simple one to visualize your shots. If you can't draw, use free storyboard tools like storyboard borders by Wonder Unit, Canva storyboards, templates, and other shots list. Plan every camera angle and movement. Example: short one, wide shot, hero walking in deserts, drone or tripod. Shots 2, close up, hero face with emotions. Shot 3, VFX portal opening and green screen background. And locations and props, choose real or green screen background. Prepare objects like swords, lights, fake debris, etc. Add marking for VFX tracking like small dots on walls, floors. Team setup if possible, directors, actors, cameras, operators, VFX artist, sound designer, editor, DSLR, camera setup. So this DSLR, Canon, Sony, Nikon or phone with manual settings. Set ISO low 100 to 400, shutter speed 1 to 50, aperture f2.84. Always shoot in flat color profile. Log on naturals for color grading later. Recording in 4K if available for best clarity during compositing. Shooting with VFX in mind for green screen. Keep in smooth and evenly lit. Avoid wearing green or reflective materials. Shoot reference footage, same scene without actor for compositing. And camera movement, static tripod shots are easiest for beginners. For motion tracking shots, keep smooth camera movement or use a gimbal. And sound recording, use an external mic or lapel mic. Record ambient sound separately for realism later. Software you will need: editing, Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve. For VFX compositing, Adobe After Effects, Blackmagic Fusion, Nuke. And 3D animations, Blender, Cinematic, 4D Maya. Sound, Audacity, Adobe Audition. And color grading, DaVinci Resolve. Basic editing in Premiere Pro, import all clips, trim and arrange according to your story. Sync audio with audio, add basic background music and visual effects. Import shots that need effects into After Effects or Blender. Common effects: chroma key, remove green screen background, rotoscoping, separate character from scenes, motion tracking, attach effect to moving camera, particle simulation, create smoke, dust, sparks, 3D integrations add 3D models in real scenes. Lighting glow, realistic light from VFX. Compositing merge reals plus CGI layers. Plugging that help Red Giant Trapcore Suits, Video Kpilots Element 3D, Saber plugging for energy beams, optical flares for lighting, action VFX packs, real explosions, dust, rain, etc. And color grading, export your edit into DaVinci Resolve's optional but best for grading. Adjust temperatures, contrast, and saturations. Use LUTs for cinematic tones. Example, uh, teals orange. Sound design. Sound brings realism. Add swoosh, explosions, wind, whoosh sounds. Mix music plus dialogues at balanced volume. Website for free sound organized mix kit, Pixabay sounds. Good. And final output rendering and exporting. So as you say, format MP4, resolution 1080p or 4K, frame rate 24 or 30 fps, byte rate 20 to 50 mbps for 4K. So render phases for advanced in 3D or compositing export, beauty pass, shadow pass, ambient occlusion, depth map. Then combine them and After Effects for more control. And now publishing and promotion. In first thumbnail, make it cinematic, main character, glowing effects, dramatic colors. SEO, titles and description. Example, title, The Portal, Epic VFX short films made in Blender and After Effects. Description, a full cinematic VFX story creating using After Effects blends and DaVinci Resolve, featuring stunning energy effects, spatial and immersive sound design. And text, you can VFX, After Effects, Blender, short films, cinematic, and share YouTube 1080p or 4K, Instagram Reels, cut short parts, and TikTok shorts behind the scene. These are make build perfect your long videos or shorts. Keep it up. Thank you so much.
Lady, go!
A boy throw a ball to unblock the white unique animal. 3D VFX, 3D animation short VFX.
Lady, go!
A boy throw a ball to unblock the white unique animal. 3D VFX, 3D animation short VFX.
Lady, go!
A boy throw a ball to unblock the white unique animal. 3D VFX, 3D animation short VFX.
Lady, go!
A pink girl throw a ball to unblock the white egg. 3D VFX, 3D animation short VFX.
Lady, go!
A pink girl throw a ball to unblock the white egg. 3D VFX, 3D animation short VFX.
Lady, go!
A pink girl throw a ball to unblock the white egg. 3D VFX, 3D animation short VFX. Types of car across zebra. 3D special effects, 3D animation.